Here are three things which are made from an old copper cylinder that was leaking. I cut it first of all across the top, then across the bottom, and finally down along the soldered seam. So I ended up with three pieces. The first piece I inverted and turned it into a water bath for the birds. The second piece, which is the bottom, again I inverted it and used it as a flower pot. You can still see the two heating elements there, and you can see I have three dwarf sunflowers growing in it. The third thing, the final piece that I was left with, was the circular piece, which I straightened out. Now there were 4 holes left in the circular piece because of the 2 coils that were inside. So I made a wooden bench from teak, which had come from a discarded window. I put the copper over the wood on the base, and where the holes were, I put in old coins. The coins that fitted it exactly were old half crowns. And if you remember, in an old half crown, there was a horse on the front of it. I then sealed those in so that water couldn't get in using resin. The 2 rails at the back, they're the rails from an old tent. I think it came out very well. Now, after all that, I was left with 2 coils. Here are the 2 coils here. Those 2 coils, I hope to turn them into a condenser for a still, if God gives me the time to do it.